Today we have a 496 lead code next greater element 1. Next greater element of some element x in array is the first greater element to the right of x in the same array. Element x. Okay, you're given zero indexed array distinct as num subset is ever num1 is subset of num2. For each, find the j next element to determine the next greater element of num. If there is no greater element, then answer for the query is -1. Return answer as array of lengths, such as is the next greater element described above. Okay, so we have num subset num, and now we put the next greater element for which value in num is a follow num1. For each value of num1 is as follow. For is underlined num1. There is no invariant element, so the answer is -1. -1. Oh, it's like -1. There are the aligned num in nums2. Okay, why is it minus or is it just 1? I think it's 1. Okay, 4, 1. The underlined in nums2 is 1. Is it the same position? No, it's occurrence. Okay, and the next greater element is 3. The underlined in nums2, there is no greater elements in nums2, so the answer is -1. Okay, so first solution, brute force. We loop nums1. Find find element in nums2 and continue until we got the first first greater element to the right. Okay. That's it. So I will create array, and then I will find element in num2, find next first greater element to the right. Let's call it FGR. Okay, and we add FGR to result. Append. And at the end, we just return result. And this will be our result. So basically, we initialize the response array, we loop, and we return result. Simple. Time complexity will be space complexity, O(n) power of 2, of course, not O(n). Space complexity is 1. We just using what we have. So time complexity obviously is not good, so we should think of a way how to optimize it. And the way we can optimize it is And we can sort both arrays. So what if we sort both? Oh, we cannot sort second one, right? Because we have to find next greater after that. But we can sort first one. And what? No. What else can we do? We can enumerate through nums2, or we can create hash table, enumerate or loop num2 and find every next find FGR for every element of nums2 and put it into hash, and we enumerate loop nums2 and nums1, and if we have an element nums1I in hash, the map in map, then we add the result append map, whatever is in map for this element, right? The tricky part is how to that we have to, like, it will be we select first element, called the solution B, the solution A. So we take first element on nums2, right? Like this one. And then we go find next. Right. And if we found we add it to the map, so we can use stack for that. So we can add this element to the stack, right? And stack will be 1. And then if we have a, for example, like this, right? If stack element is less than current nums I, we extract it and put it this way. Then we move to 3. And if 3 is larger than this one, add to map and extract this one element to map from stack. If still, we add get this one from the stack and add it to map as well. So in this case, we're gonna have just one ON complexity, because we will be just enumerating through through array and adding to stack and removing from stack. We are not gonna like select first, find next greater, select second, find next greater, select third, next find next greater. We're gonna have arrange it into stack. So in this case, we will have a land complexity. Okay, so in this case, time complexity will be ON, space complexity will be ON, ON, and let's go and implement this. So first we declare map, we declare stack, we declare maps, and we declare stack, then we for E in num2, for every element if num2, if should I start with just put first element in a stack and start from second one? Okay. L and for example, I call it L2. And I do range from 1 to L2. So we start from first element and we stack append to 0. So I will add and start from 1. And here I will try to do following. If stack last element less than num2I, so is it like greater or equal or just greater? What if we have 2? Oh, it's distinct. So there is always just one element. Perfect. That makes sense. So we do if the greater, we do map. Let's call it top stack of the stack of the stack. Let's call it TOS. It's faster. TOS equal if map. We add think I have to do like while here, while loop. Whatever we have in stack 1, we add to map. And we pop stack. So we have something in the stack. And the last stack is num2, then we add it to map and we pop stack. Then we take next element. Yeah, I think I have to keep if loop here. Loop inside the if statement like this. Because if then else that okay, if we have one, we put 0, then we found 3. We pop this 2, but we have to add 3. And then we do stack and sorry. And after and we enumerate num1 for every. Okay, do I have to really go from first element? If stack is empty and I go here, here, I just add whatever we have. Okay, I think I don't have to do all this. Let's try without it. It's much cleaner. Then we do we just add whatever is map for num1 and we return res. Okay, so What? What shouldn't be happening? Okay. See what 20 minutes, 10 minutes left. Okay, do I have any possible bugs here? I don't think anything. While without sync on here. Think of okay. Okay, let's run it. Like append num. Okay, nums to typos type all over the place. Horrible. Okay. Come on, index out of range. What does it mean? Oh yeah. Yeah. Let's call it N. Call it N. Then we don't have to write all this stuff. Yeah. If I'm like I don't know. Probably shouldn't change. Shouldn't change. Um, Refactoring codes that I didn't test it. I probably should write it as it is and then refactor it. Okay, okay. What is it? What what is it? Okay, next element. Runtime error. What is it? Key error for. Is it same? Next greater element solution. Everything seems good. Something here. Recommend. This is driver append. Okay, it doesn't like appending whatever is in map. Okay, you know what? Let's print map. So in the map, we should have 412. Oh, how about if we haven't found anything? This is a good idea. So we have to do if in map E we just append. Else we append -1. Yep. Case 2 doesn't work. Okay, why? Nice. At least I have first case running. 2. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We found for 1. I can't find 2 because if I pop. So the thing is that I have to append in any case, no matter if I pop or not. Let's try this. Perfect. Yep, that's what I was thinking about. Let's try to submit this beauty. Wrong answer. Oh. And how am I supposed to find it? Like, 12. Okay. Mhm. So we have for 55, we have 92. Okay. For 59. Why we have 236 expected? Because for 59, we find 59 too. And we get next right is 92. Isn't that the next greater element? I'm missing something. Missing something from the description. Why it's 236, 59? Is there another 59? Okay. Next reference. If you given two distinct zero indexes in there is no another 51. For each, find the next, find the index j, and determine the next greater element nums j in nums 2. So we take 4. The greater element equation nums 4. We take 4, then the line in nums 2 is 4. 4. 4. There is no greater element, so we return 2. We take 1. Is 1. Okay. So the greater element is 3. Mm. So I don't understand why 236, 59. Next is 59. Okay, wait a second. 59, 59, 92 is next. Yeah, I see they're the same, right? But 59, I find 59, and I take next right. Isn't it the greatest, next greater element? Okay. All right. 92. 92. That's 236. Okay. Okay, I probably missing something into description. For each. All right, I'm out of time. Yeah, I'll keep researching this and probably will find out what's wrong with my code. All right. Thank you.